Order of the Free Citizen, number 20-04-04-01. Overturning Lawrence J. Hogan Jr.'s unlawful executive orders. Whereas Lawrence J. Hogan Jr.'s executive orders violate Article 44 of the Maryland Constitution. Quote, that the provisions of the Constitution of the United States and of this state apply as well in time of war as in time of peace, and any departure therefrom or violation thereof under the plea of necessity or any other plea is subversive of good government and tends to anarchy and despotism. Whereas Lawrence J. Hogan Jr.'s executive orders violate his oath to the United States Constitution. Whereas the Maryland and United States Constitutions supersede Title 14 of the Public Safety Article. Whereas Lawrence J. Hogan Jr.'s executive orders have created a public safety risk by causing fear, panic, anxiety, and severe loss of income. Whereas the shutdown of the economy may cause more harm than the COVID-19 virus. Whereas citizens of Maryland are afforded the pursuit of happiness. Whereas the Maryland Unemployment Office is severely understaffed and citizens will not be able to obtain basic necessities, including food, water, shelter, and electrical services. Whereas Governor Lawrence Hogan, his staff, the National Guard, and the Maryland State Police are still able to collect paychecks, but those Mr. Hogan has deemed non-essential are not. Whereas state law does not allow preferential treatment to be given to certain types of businesses. Whereas state tax revenue will be significantly harmed by Lawrence Hogan Jr.'s executive orders. Whereas the state government's original mandate for self-isolation was on or about April 24th, 2020. Whereas the unofficial Maryland state motto under Governor Hogan's authority was, "Maryland is open for business." Now, therefore, I, Adam R., free citizen of Maryland, by virtue of the Maryland and United States Constitutions, do hereby order, number 1, the reopening of Maryland's entire business sector at owner's discretion. Number 2, abolishment of all Lawrence J. Hogan Jr.'s executive orders that run contrary to supreme law. Issued under my hand this 4th day of April 2020 and effective on the 25th day of April 2020. Adam R., free citizen.